Some people worship golden calves. I, however, am a mangy calf who worships love. Our school is love. Our teacher is the wisdom of greatness. We are students. We keep studying our lessons. Love is the whole thing. We are only pieces. Love is the sea of no end. We are but a drop in it. He brings forth 100 proofs. We can find our way only through them. The sky turns only with love. Without love, even the stars are eclipsed, extinguished. With love, hunchback doll becomes Aleph. Once Aleph loses love, it turns to doll. There's a wine that spreads the wings of soul's bird, that never makes you tired or boring. Love is the cupbearer of that wine. Lovers drink gladly from the cupbearer's hand. That wine is not forbidden to us. Love is a light, exalted, a secret river to be drunk, purified and flowing forever. A fire burning, never extinguished. What a happy, joyful time it is when, with good luck, you suddenly take soul into your arms and cast the body aside. Such drunkenness comes to the head from such beauty, that the heart doesn't look for a crown or a throne. Shame and bashfulness go away. I beg God that God's Son, Shams of Tabriz, rises to the cave of heart and stays there with his friend. He gives me love. That love becomes my friend, my acquaintance. All sourness turns into wine. Soul becomes drunk, claps his hands, walks to the right. There is no sourness there. Enough. Be silent. Swim in honey and sugar, because the favor of the kind one will never leave you sour. If you want to see the beloved's face, borrow the beloved's eyes. Look through them and you'll see the face everywhere. Hold to the reins of love and do not be afraid. Hold to the real behind the false and do not be afraid. You must know that the beloved you seek is none other than you. Hold to this truth, and do not be afraid.